Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Azamuddin bin Sulaiman. I'm from class EMD 6M2B1. So for today, my presentation's topic is called the social distancing sensor. To begin with, why am I making this project? As for today, the number of cases is 11,000 cases, which is the highest cases recorded in Malaysia so far. Looking at an engineer perspective, people are not aware that they are not applying a proper SOP, whether on purpose or not aware of it. So, how as an engineer we can solve this matter? We start with learning the proper SOP. We all know that we should distance ourselves 1 meter apart from each other. So we know that we need to make a new tag to keep people live a 1 meter gap at least from each other. That's why I am making this social distancing sensor. Now let me tell you what components are involved in the circuit. For the inputs, we have two components which are PR sensor, which is to detect movement or motion. Next, we have ultrasonic sensor, which is used to calculate distance between us to the motion. Now for the output components, we have a buzzer. When there are nearby motions between 1 meter, the buzzer will vibrate and create a loud noises. Then we have LED light, red and green, which means red for not safe and green for the safe distance. So lastly, we have the LCD display which will show the alert messages. Now let me show you the simulation. First, let's talk what we have right here. So for the upper side, we have ultrasonic sensor, PR sensor, and this is buzzer. On the breadboard, we have LED light, resistors, potentiometer on the bottom. The function of potentiometer is to control the brightness of the LCD display. So shall we check the simulation? Okay. So when both ultrasonic sensor and PR sensor detects a movement within 1 meter, the buzzer will start vibrating and LED light will turn to red. LCD display will show stay away messages. Okay. If one sensor or two sensors doesn't detect a movement within 1 meter, the buzzer will stop vibrating, LED light will turn to green, and LCD display will show you are safe. Then, if it get closer, it will start vibrating back, and the LED display will turn to red, and LCD display will show stay away again. So we see the coding. So there is some variables for this sensor. So distance stands for the ultrasonic sensor, pin buzzer for buzzer, R pin and B pin for LED light, PR pin for PR sensor, and so on. And the rest is the coding I use for the sensor. So as the recommendation, I would like to propose two ideas that likely to improve this new sensor. I will start with adding one more set of PR and ultrasonic sensor. The current sensor, it can only detect a motion only in a straight path. So when we add one more set of sensor, it would detect the other path as well, which means it can detect our overall surrounding. For the second idea, I would love to improvise the sensor by adding thermal sensor. Not only we can check others' temperature, it's also a vice versa to us as well. I think that's all from me. Thank you.